Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cap sleeve. Now it's really easy. You will be surprised at how easy this is. I'm going to show you guys how to draw it and cut it and sew it basically. And if you want to see how I made this shirt dress, like the full shirt dress, I have the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out. So let's get into this particular video on how to make a cap sleeve. I've used the bias tape to finish the edges of my armhole, so this is what it looks like right now. I finished the edges. It looks really neat because you need a neat armhole for your cap sleeve. So for the cap sleeve, I'm going to be using a fabric that is 13 inches by 12 inches. So I'm going to be cutting two pieces of that, and then I'm going to measure how long I want it to be basically on my shoulders. So I'm using roughly 4.5 inches to 5 inches. Then I'm going to take my fabric and fold it along the 13-inch side. So the 13 inches edge, you're going to fold it into two, just like this. And then remember I said I'm using 5 inches for my cap length. I'm going to now times it by 2 and add 1 inch to it. So that's 11 inches. So on this line, just like I'm doing right here, I'm going to measure 11 inches. And then I'm going to measure 5 inches from the fold. So the fold on this fabric, I'm going to measure 5 inches from there, and I'm going to rule a line representing both lines. Can't seem to get out, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired. Once you're done, cut it out, fold it into 4, just like I'm doing right here, and I'm going to take my curved ruler and I'm going to make a curve from one edge to the other. Now make sure the folded corners of your piece are not cut out. Make sure it's the open sides that are cut out. So just like I'm doing right here, the folded corner is at the other side and the open part is this one on the right hand side. So can you guys see, once I open it up, my folded side is still intact, like really intact. And then I'm going to pin it all around and sew it all around right there, leaving a space that I'm going to turn it out from. So now that I'm done, I've ironed it, turned it out, and then I'm going to now take the curved side, guys, the curved side. Then I'm going to mark the center point and place it on the center point of the shoulder. So you're going to know it because the seam is already there. Just place it directly on that center point, and then I'm now going to pin it all around. So the way I'm doing it right here, this is why I said you need a clean finished armhole for this, because you might not have a way of finishing the armhole once you've done this part. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm now going to sew it all around, do it for the other sleeve, and then sew it down right there. Now guys, I have sewn it and this is what it looks like. Now you can see the excess that is there. If you want it even, shorter, you can make it shorter. If you want it longer, you can make it longer. And guys, yes, this is the end of this cap sleeve video. It's amazing. Like, it turned out really well, like the exact measurements that I wanted, the exact length, everything was perfect. Guys, if you try it out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work to all my growing followers. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, share with your sewing lovers, your sewing friends, your sewing community. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.